Iris, the manufacturer of the world's toughest and most reliable infrared window, is pleased to introduce the E Sentry Connect intelligent asset tagging system. Now, the world's toughest infrared window is also the world's smartest. The E Sentry Connect system provides a simple means of automated data collection of your infrared inspections. It can show you asset health history at a glance. Data can be easily exported to other applications, and the system can form the basis of an ISO 55000 compliance program. Using near-field communication, or NFC-enabled smartphone or tablet, you can very easily link your new E Sentry Connect card to your E Sentry Cloud account by simply opening the E Sentry Connect Cloud app and tapping the device to the card. When pairing a tag for the first time, information on camera transmission rate and recommended NETA maximum temperatures can be saved for future reference. In this way, another thermographer can view inspection instructions and pass-fail guidelines for the equipment being examined. He can also view the details of the last inspection performed before recording the latest measurements and, if necessary, putting the asset into an alarm condition. Users can easily see any inspection routes that they have been assigned. New information written to the E Sentry Connect card will be automatically time and date stamped, and the user's name is also automatically recorded. The Android speech-to-text feature can be used to record to the tag, including inspection notes. The next time the user's smartphone is connected to the internet, all the inspection information will be transmitted to the E Sentry Connect cloud service for permanent backup. Once a route has been completed by checking in on all the assets and recording new inspection data, the user can choose to mark the route completed. A quick double check shows that there are no synchronizations waiting on the device, which confirms all the inspection information has been transmitted to the cloud. Logging into the E Sentry Cloud system is done via your email address and password. Once there, users with system admin rights can add new users to the system by clicking Employees in the drop-down. The administrator can then choose if the new user is an admin with cloud access or just a basic user who is only able to read-write information to the E Sentry Connect tags via the app and his smartphone. It is also possible to deactivate users if necessary, or revoke their admin privileges or request a password reset. Refreshing the screen, we can see that the new user we have created has performed no check-ins and has no outstanding routes assigned to him. Existing routes can be viewed and modified, or new routes can be created and assigned via the E Sentry Cloud system. Adding a new asset to a route is very simple, since assets can be searched by multiple criteria and added to the route. You can search by site, building, or alarm condition to find assets to add to a route. Here we are searching for assets that are in a critical alarm state and adding them to our newly created route. Once you have selected all of the assets for the route, assigning the route to one of your users is equally easy to do. Assigning a route will automatically generate an email to the assigned user. However, the E Sentry Connect cloud system also allows you to manually create an email with more details to the employee. In this way, special instructions can be easily conveyed to the maintenance personnel assigned to a route. You can also see the routes that have been assigned and that are both complete and incomplete. Clicking on a route in this view will take you to a listing of all of the assets that make up the route. Clicking on an asset in the route view will take you to the check-in details of that particular asset. You can also view an overview of all recent check-ins by choosing the main drop-down and clicking Check-ins. Any check-ins in an alarm state are highlighted for easy viewing. Transfer Asset 1 shows a critical alarm condition. Clicking on the check-in for this asset brings up the full details, including notes taken by the technician during the last inspection. Using the drop-down and choosing Tags gives an overview listing all of the assets tied to your E Sentry Cloud system. The default view and tag screen is of all assets. However, you can choose to filter by different criteria, including alarm state, site, building, location, or even asset description. Choosing Asset 5 takes us to the latest check-in for that asset, which showed a problem during the last inspection. We can also see the full check-in history for Asset 5 and gain access to the details of each previous check-in. Or we can choose the monitoring feature, which will graph all of the temperature readings taken on Asset 5 since it was initially tied to the E Sentry Cloud system. Scrolling over data points on the graph will give details on the date and temperature recorded. Using the drop-down and choosing Reports allows the admin user to generate custom reports based on the data held in the E Sentry Cloud system. Choose a date range of data to export and the data fields of interest and click on Generate Report. An Excel-based report for the time period of interest is easily created, showing all check-in activity for all assets. E Sentry Connect cloud data can also be bridged into other enterprise asset management platforms such as SAP, Oracle, or Maximo. To summarize, the E Sentry Connect Cloud Intelligent Asset Tag System is a low-cost and easy-to-implement solution for your facility. You can manage users, create and manage inspection routes, monitor temperature trends, generate alarms, and create custom reports. The system utilizes common Android smartphone technology, meaning that implementation cost and risk is minimized. Please visit www.iris.com for more information about the E Sentry Connect Cloud Intelligent Asset System.